Political commentator Tik, the academic general on Monday, weighed in on the ongoing debate over ZANU-PF leadership, describing Vice President Constantine Chiwenga as a better devil than Emmerson Mnangagwa in response to former Norton MP Tembamliswa recent criticism of Chiwenga. Salabina mashoko buda panguwa ino nyora chiti, why Constantine Chiwenga is better than Emmerson Mnangagwa, no boss subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina the sim I nyora chiti. Tik argued that Chiwenga, despite controversies, demonstrates a clearer focus on addressing corruption and governance issues than Mnangagwa. Chiwenga has shown that he can identify problems and act on them. He was initially focused on blocking Ntagwire, but later he realized that corruption is affecting the entire country and its economy. That kind of awareness and energy is something Mnangagwa rarely displays, he said. In quotes, "Hauna kubona here, mavadzi chipfurana Zabirana, I think Chiwenga is better devil than Mnangagwa. He has some kind of decency, even when he gives his speeches and show in how he carries himself. Tara Mnangagwa is Trump incarnate. He is a piece of work and an assignment. Since he came to power, I never heard him dwell much on economic and national development, which culminates in the social well-being of the citizens. He concentrated on Mundapa Empire," Tik added. Tik criticized Mnangagwa's focus on consolidating power among a selected group of allies, questioning the neglect of nationwide development and wealth distribution. What is it that is in that empire that caused him to forget about the distribution of wealth and development of all corners of the country? He is more focused on consolidating his power with his cronies and charlatans. Do I need to be a charlatan to make a living?" he asked. He also directed a challenge to Mliswa, saying, "Sabukutemba, how can you speak to leadership? Can you also apply your mind to the fact that people in Zimbabwe are suffering? If the country has resources and a democratically elected president, why are citizens suffering?" Mliswa, in contrast, has been highly critical of the Vice President Chiwenga, accusing him of impatience and lacking sound political strategy, highlighting the growing tensions within ZANU-PF's top leadership. Tik's comments have sparked debate among political analysts and party observers over who offers stronger leadership and what this means for Zimbabwe's governance and the ruling party's future. Doma developments ari kupangwa ine chori kwaunzvipi Constantine Chiwenga ari nani pana President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutibudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nangu section menu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.